In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert thumbs up emoji in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to drop a clear, friendly into any message in just a couple of clicks or keystrokes. Start by opening Outlook, either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once Outlook is open, create a new message by selecting New Email in the desktop app, or New Message if you're in the web interface. This puts you right into the message editor where you can compose your email. Next, click inside the body of the email where you want the thumbs up emoji to appear. You should see the cursor blinking in the text area. That blinking cursor is important. It tells you that whatever you insert next will land exactly at that point in your message. If the cursor isn't blinking, click again in the body to activate it. Now, open the emoji panel using the quickest method for your device. On Windows 10 or Windows 11, press the Windows key together with either the period or the semicolon. That shortcut pops open the emoji picker anywhere you can type, including Outlook. On a Mac, press Ctrl, Command, and Space together to bring up the emoji window. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure the Outlook window is active and that your cursor is in the message body, not the subject line. With the emoji panel open, you can locate the thumbs up in two ways. You can scroll through the people, smileys, or hand gestures section until you see the familiar thumbs up icon. Or, to be faster, use the search field in the emoji panel, type the word thumbs, and the thumbs up emoji will appear right away. This is especially handy if you're working quickly and don't want to scroll. To insert it, simply click the thumbs up emoji once. It will immediately appear exactly where your cursor is in the Outlook email body. If you want a row of them, click multiple times. After inserting it, continue typing your message as you normally would. The emoji behaves like any other character, so you can add spaces, punctuation, or new lines without any trouble. When your email looks good, go ahead and click send. Your message will include the thumbs up emoji, and your recipient will see it just as you intended. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.